I wrote the Microsoft Press Power BI book. Now I'm writing the playbook for AI and business intelligence integration. But here's what separates EPC Group from every other consulting firm. We don't just hand you a report and walk away. We become your team. I'm Aaron O'Connor, Chief AI Architect at EPC Group. For 28 years, we've perfected something most consultants can't deliver: seamless integration into your existing team while transferring knowledge that actually sticks. Here's how we work. We don't parachute in with generic solutions. We embed with your team as a trusted extension, part consultant, part teammate, part mentor. Think of us as your AI and business intelligence special forces unit, deployed exactly when and where you need us most. Our proven methodology starts with your current state assessment. We map your data warehouse architecture, identify AI readiness gaps, and design governance frameworks that actually work in your environment. No cookie-cutter approaches, no one-size-fits-all solutions. Then comes the magic knowledge transfer that transforms your teams into AI and BI experts. We don't just implement, we teach. Every solution comes with documentation, training, and hands-on mentoring, so your team owns the technology, not the other way around. We establish AI governance models specifically designed for your data architecture, security protocols that satisfy your auditors, compliance frameworks that protect your organization, and integration strategies that scale with your growth. And here's the best part: we train your team to maintain and expand everything we build. Our clients don't just get better dashboards, they get organizational transformation, healthcare systems that predict patient outcomes, financial firms that spot market opportunities in real time, government agencies that make data-driven decisions at the speed of mission requirements. We work in all verticals and with companies of all shapes and sizes, but we don't disappear after implementation. We become your ongoing strategic partner for your digital transformation journey. Need to integrate new AI capabilities? We're here. Data architecture expansion? We've got you covered. AI training on emerging technologies? We have developed a proven model that isn't traditional consulting, better than the Big Four without the Big Four. Hassle my team members at EPC Group. Unlike the Big Four, promise not to tell you they went to Harvard every 30 minutes, even if they did. Not that there's anything wrong with that. But seriously, this is digital transformation partnership. We don't just solve today's problems. We prepare your team to solve tomorrow's challenges. Because the goal isn't making you dependent on consultants. The goal is making you dangerous with technology. Your competitors are hiring armies of consultants who implement systems and leave. You get EPC Group, the team that becomes your trusted advisor, an extension of your team, shares our expertise, and ensures your success long after the project ends. Ready to transform how your organization thinks about AI and business intelligence? Ready for a partner instead of a vendor? Ready to stop buying technology and start mastering it? Contact EPC Group today at contact@epcgroup.net or call 888-381-9725. Let's discuss how we become the extension of your team that changes everything. Your digital transformation journey starts with one conversation.